no gold is not enough.
National Institute of Technology, Trichy, established in the year 1964. Tanjavur Main Road, NH67, near BHL, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu, 620015.
If you see the rankings, it has ranked 126th according to the QS Bricks, ranked 218 in QS Asia. If you see the NRF 2020 rankings, it has ranked 9th in the engineering category, 24th in the overall category. If you see the connectivity to the campus, nearest bus stand is 22 kilometers away, which is Tiruchirappalli Central Bus Stand. Nearest railway station is Tiruchirappalli 13.53 kilometers and also Tanjavur 36.12 kilometers. Nearest airport is Trichy Airport 22 kilometers. Modes of admission into the campus: JEE Mains followed by JOSA and CSAP counseling. Courses offered in that NIT Tirchi campus are chemical engineering, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, instrumentation and control engineering, mechanical engineering, metallurgical and materials engineering, production engineering. If you see the seat matrix in the NIT Tirchi, for BTech it has 992 seats. For BArch students, which is a 5-year course, 57 seats are available in NIT Tirchi. These are the cutoffs which I mentioned here are general category, gender neutral. Left side are the opening ranks and right side are the closing ranks. I will give you the link in the description so that you can see the 2019 cutoffs according to the rounds. The cutoffs which I have shown here are after the round 7th of JOSA. Cutoffs, if you see here, these are also from general category, female only category again. You can see the link in the description where you can find category wise cutoffs. I'll provide you with the link. If we talk about the placements in NIT Tirchi, every year the average student placed will be surely above 90% every year. This year means 2019, the average placement is 95% and highest package came to 43 lakhs per annum 2019. In 2020, people from NIT Tirchi, they are saying that they have got 95 lakhs package. You can see it is approximately 1 crore package for an year. Average package for CSE it will be around 15 to 17 lakhs per annum. Overall average campus total placements average will be around 10 lakhs per annum. Every year 220 plus companies visit the campus for campus placements. Famous companies that visit the campus for placements are Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Oracle, Adobe, Flipkart and some other big companies. If you see the fee structure, institute fees, tuition fees is 68,500, on-time fees is 17,250, caution fees is 7,000, hostel fees, hostel charges 19,350, mess charges 16,500, caution money 4,000. Even in NIT Tirchi, you can get the scholarship. If you belongs to SC/ST category, you will be having a full fee waiver except the hostel fees. Hostel fees should be paid by everyone. For general OBC, if your income is less than 1 lakh, you will have full fee waiver. For general OBC category, if your income is between 1 to 5 lakhs, you will get the 2/3 of fee waiver. Coming to infrastructure, this campus is spread around 800 acres. Total hostels are for boys 22 hostels, for girls 6 hostels. Together 5,797 UG PG students and research scholars can accommodate there. Inside the campus you will get a shopping center in which everything is available. Hospital with ambulance service is always available inside the campus. Next, hangout places inside the campus are like CCD, Cafe Coffee Day, Amul swimming pool, stadium, Dimora. Dimora is a restaurant which is inside college itself. Stone benches. Then hangout places outside the campus. Outside the campus there are no much hangout places because it is around 15 to 16 kilometers away from the city. So if you want any malls, theaters, restaurant, you should take a 40-minute journey to reach either Trichy or Chatram. Only one thing you will get outside the campus gate is Daba 3. And NIT Tirchi conducts a second biggest fest which is called Festember, a fest to remember Pragyan. It's a technical fest. It is in 2019. They have given a theme called Pragyan to it. It is also called as NIT Tea Fest. It is 15 kilometers away from the city, as I already said. It totally has 45 clubs and societies where students can participate and build their skills in their interested things. Then curfew timings 9 p.m. for girls. Faculty is okayish. Then coming to attendance, which is most important part of every one of our BTech life, 75% is must needed for a student to attend examinations.